We notice when students come to us and they want, why haven't I got into that residency, or why am I not making it through to this very specific thing that I want to get, a fellowship or whatever. And we're not sometimes going backwards a little bit and taking that big view and going, okay, what attracted me to medicine? What is the story I can tell? So when I do interview for something, someone's going to remember that about me 5 days later or 7 days later when they're making that big decision. So that's why it's so important. Your brand isn't just what you look like on Instagram or LinkedIn, but the stories you tell when you come into a room, like your 60-second pitch, or what do you say about yourself that people will all be like, oh, I really liked her or him, and I'm gonna hire Dr. DeFore, she's gonna get that fellowship. But what is that story that you tell?